Are you ready to learn about surface tension? In this experiment, we're going to learn how to use soap to control red pepper flakes on water. The materials you need for this experiment include a dish, some water, red pepper flakes, and a bar of soap. Fill the dish with water. Next, sprinkle some red pepper flakes on the surface. Observe what's going on. The red pepper flakes are floating on the surface of the water. Then, put the bar of soap in the middle of the dish and watch what happens. Whoa, check it out! The pepper flakes all move away from the soap to the edges of the dish. What's going on here? Water has high surface tension, which makes pepper flakes float on top. When soap is added to the water, the soap destroys the surface tension in the area right around the soap. Soap has big molecules that are attracted to water, interfering with the water molecules and their high surface tension. Pepper flakes can only float where water has high surface tension, so the flakes move away from the soap.